Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I wanted to share my tag that I did with some ladies here on YouTube. We sent each other 10 items to create um, anything we wanted. Each one of us are doing something different, um, and it's just within our group. It wasn't planned or anything. We just decided to do something different. But I mean, it's been done before, obviously, but we just wanted to challenge ourselves. So we pulled names, and the person that I got, she was very kind, is Judy Evan Parker here on YouTube, and she gave me 10 items. So let me see if I can do this. So she gave me this napkin. She gave me a die cut. She gave me some lace. And you didn't have to use every single thing. You have to use 10 items, but you didn't have to use every bit of it. You could use a little snippet here, a little snippet there. Anyway, so the napkin, the lace, the die cut. Here's a little doily I did not use. Here's some little tiny buttons, and then this pretty trim. She gave me this trim. What else did she give me? Oh, stickers. She gave me these two stickers. And then she gave me some resin flowers. It's the bright colored ones. I see. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. I'm not sure if I'm missing something. Am I missing something? Anyway, okay, so what I created with these 10 items, she asked me to make a layered tag. So here is my layer tag. I took corrugated board from a packaging I just got from Sizzix.com, my order. And I ripped this very thin layer of paper, and exposed the corrugated part of it. I painted it and with two acrylic paint, one cream and one white, and you can barely see it here and here. Oh, and then she gave me the doily too. That was it. I used the entire thing. Okay, so the napkin is in the background, but you could barely see it because I Mod Podged it on. I added that a piece of lace. I also added the lace up here. Here are the little doilies. Let me add it in here. I wanted to make sure I had it on black so you guys could see it better. Here's the die cut. I added this Enjoy Right Now. Here's the doily, and this is this trim, but I only took the flowers off. She didn't say, you could use not the whole thing, you could use little snippets of it, so that's what I did. I added the flower with the bling in the center, and I added it up here. There's the applique. I just laid it down. There's that one die cut here and one die cut here. There's the sticker. There's that sticker and that sticker. I added the buttons there, and one right up at the top here. And then that other trim here, they look like leaves to me. So I snipped them off and I added it behind the flowers. There's one there's one there, and then the other one is behind there. And I added one right on top of the sticker. There is one of the flowers. I thought one of them best went with the tag. And that's all. And then I used some more of that ribbon in and I added some ribbon. So this is a 4x8 tag. It was perfect for this project, and I really love how it is. And once you take the layer off the front, I needed it to be on chipboard so it'd be nice and sturdy, because once you take it off it gets flimsy. So I added it to my tag, and I just love how this turned out. It's really, really pretty. And I love all the different kinds of, I got pearls, I got, it's just really interesting and cool. So I want to thank Judy for the items, and she was very kind to me. She didn't give me anything weird, which was, really nice of her. She could have really stumped me. So I want to thank everybody for watching. I hope everybody's staying safe, staying indoors. Virginia, we're still on lockdown. We're not even in phase 1 of reopening. It's very, very sad. And there's a lot of restaurants and small businesses going under, and it's just ultimately sad right now. So I want to thank everyone for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below, or down below here, and I'll answer whatever you guys ask. So if you want to press the like button or the thumbs up, that'd be awesome. And I appreciate it. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day. Bye now.